everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my updated fake tan routine, so if you do want to see it then just keep on watching, and if you are new, thank you so much for joining and I hope that you stay. So yeah, let's just get straight on to my fake tan routine. So the three fake tans that I always use, so I do have like three favourite tans. So the one I have is the St. Moritz dark fake tan. This is just a staple, everyone has used this. It's just a very good cheap fake tan. This retails for about I think it's between £3 and £4. So again, it's very cheap. However, this doesn't last as long on my skin compared to the other two that I'm going to show you. But this is like a really good one if you just want a dark tan straight away, and you don't really, like I say, need it to last very long. So this is like a very short sort of period sort of tan to have. It's like the most least long lasting out of the three. But again, this is a very good one. Like I say, it's dark and it goes on like a mousse, so I absolutely love this one. But again, it's not as good as the other two that I'm going to show you. The next fake tan is probably like my most favourite one. It's the most recent one that I've been using, and it's the Australian Glow Ultra Dark 1 Hour Express Tan. This one is like my absolute favourite one. This is one I've been using for the past couple of months. If you do follow me on my Instagram, that is what I'm using in my pictures. I do get a lot of messages asking what tan I use, and it's this one that I've used in those photos. But yeah, this is the one that lasts the longest on my skin. It smells beautiful, it lasts long, and it goes on like a really dark colour. It is obviously ultra dark, so it is a lot darker than all of the ones that I have got. But obviously when you do wash the top layer off, it does leave still a dark colour. So I would definitely recommend this one. You can pick this one up from Superdrug. It's around £15, but it does have a lot of sales on for this tan. It does go down to about 12. So when it does go down, I do pick up obviously another one because I am running quite low on this. It is only 200 millilitres, so it's not obviously a lot. It is just a normal standard bottle size of fake tan, but it's Australian made, it's organic, it's vegan, cruelty free, all that good stuff, and it's very good. I would definitely recommend this one if you want a long lasting tan. And then my next one is Sunkissed. Now if you've been watching for a while, I have featured a lot of Sunkissed tans on my channel. I absolutely love Sunkissed. Again, another great fake tan. This one's in ultra dark. It's vegan again, cruelty free. This one contains ultraviolet to intensify the colour. So I absolutely love this, and obviously the packaging is so nice as well. I absolutely love this green colour. But yeah, again, this is a very good fake tan. This is a new one. Again, I just alternate between these three tans. Again, it's very long lasting. Again, it's not as long lasting as the Australian Glow one, but this is like the second runner up, I would say, for fake tans. But yeah, this one again is an ultra dark. It's a mousse. It lasts quite long on my skin. It lasts up to about 4 or 5 days, and obviously it has a guide colour on it and everything like that. So definitely recommend this one as well. But today I am going to just use this one. So yeah, I'm going to use this Sunkissed one today. Like a velvety sort of mitt. I just like to put another mitt on underneath just in case it does sort of leak. But yeah, I'm just going to use the Sunkissed one today. You can pick this up from Superdrug, Body Care, eBay, anywhere really. So I'm just going to give this a good shake. I'm just going to apply it onto this arm first. I'm just going to apply it obviously on like my sort of front body. So I'm going to pop about two pumps and then just spread it on. Now this is a really nice sort of, it's not olive but it's not orange, it's kind of like in the middle. But I absolutely love this, and again the smell is absolutely to die for as well. It blends really easily as well. It doesn't stick to like any dry patches. It just have like sort of moisturising ingredients in. So that is the colour on. Like I say, I just like to blend it into the knuckles and the hands as well. Just obviously with whatever's left on the mitt, you don't want to apply a fresh pump and then apply onto your hand, because then obviously your hands will just be much darker than your arms. yeah, so that is the colour compared to the other arm. Obviously my back is a lot whiter, but that's obviously because I can't reach that far. But yeah, that's the colour compared to the other side, and I'm just out of breath now. So yeah, that is the colour. I absolutely love this tan. And again, like I say, if you've watched me for a while, I've used Sunkissed for obviously a while. So I'm just going to do the chest area, and then I'll come back to do the belly and the left arm as well. I obviously just need to do the top half, but obviously I need to just take off that strap. That's my natural colour, and that's obviously the tan, so it's quite dark, and obviously it does get darker obviously the longer that you leave it on. Yeah, that is the full tan on. Like I say, I do sleep in this and then I wash it off the next day. But yeah, that's my full fake tan routine. So I would definitely recommend these 3 fake tans. Again, the Australian Glow one is like my most favourite used one. It lasts the longest. But Sunkissed is my second, and the St. Moritz is my third. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day or night wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.